Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. On the gold market, guys, it seems that makes sense to talk only on what will happen within the few hours, because what will happen after the Fed meeting, it's really stands unclear, and I did not see any reasons for trying to gambling on perspective for the Fed statement, what will happen, and so on. So on the daily chart, guys, all major stuff we have discussed recently. Yes, this video, because we said the two major target stands. First is 1230. That is possible to reach before the Fed meeting, because here we have the 1618 extension, the bottom lines, also XOP target, extended objective point, this inner to bottom line ABCD pattern. So that's next destination. This target really could be hit within a few hours, maybe on the volatility around the Fed meeting, when the speculators will start to shake the markets on the spikes and some fake breakouts and something of that sort. So market really could touch this objective point. At the same time, as potentially the butterfly could become the bullish reversal pattern, because butterflies not only just could trigger some minor retracement. Very often butterflies forms on the major reversal points, on the tops and the bottoms, that could turn market in opposite direction. That's why theoretically 1230 could become the turning point for the market as well, because we do not know what Fed will say. If it will not become so, next destination point to the downside will be 1210. This will be a major VIP support area. Take a look at this level. From this low to this top, 1210, 618 target, 100% target, 618 VIP support, and 100% target for this ABCD pattern. OP objective point, AB equals CD target of our major ABCD pattern. So this ABC top D pattern. So this will be also an agreement. This will happen if Fed will support the current course of the rate policy and will give the hints on the possible further rate increasing. It will be hawkish comments. In this case, gold will continue dropping. Meantime, in the short-term perspective, gold could show some minor retracement. Yesterday we said that any retracement we should use for attempt to go short until market will not hit the 1230. So currently we have two different situations. One is very short-term, it's on the all-hourly chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart situation, very similar, but it's a bit bigger scale. So take a look. Currently market has formed perfect morning star pattern right at the bottom. Here's even some bullish grabber has been formed. And potentially that could become the left shoulder. This could become head. So after action to the 1250, market could show retracement down, and then action to the 1260. Some kind of the ABCD retracement up. That could start right from this point. But this is a bit longer setup, because we have the 4-hour time frame chart, and hardly it will be formed till the Fed meeting. So probably this potential setup should last for 1-2 sessions, so probably till the end of the week this could happen. That's why today and currently we could take a look at the setup of the similar shape, but on the lower time frame, on the hourly chart, and it mostly is based on this morning star. So actually on the hourly charts you can see we have the same setup, but the smaller scale. So that's our morning star pattern. Here you could recognize the possible hand shoulders could be formed. So market right now should drop somewhere to 1240, and then could start ABCD retracement right to the 1250. Particular reaction on the appearing of the morning star should complete the first leg here right to the 1250 area. That is setup that you could watch for within the few hours. So if you're a scalp trader, you could think about taking even long position here with a attempt to make some bucks on this upward retracement. I'm not sure about the taking the short here. This probably also could be happen, because, for example, if you're taking short around 1250, market starts to form right shoulder of the larger pattern, you could move your stop to the break-even at the moment of the forming, because currently we do not know. It's too lots of uncertainty. Maybe these hand shoulders will fail. For example, retracement will be over, Fed start meeting, market starts to form right shoulder, and in this point market will not move up but just continue move lower. In this case, if you will take the short here, you will take the position in advance of the possible failure of this larger hand shoulders pattern. If you will be wrong and market indeed will start to move up, moving stop at the break even at the moment of the appearing of the right shoulder will save you money. So that's also the tactics that you could use if you're searching chance to go short. So as you can see, right now on the gold market we should turn around some short-term setups that we have, because mostly the major decisive moment bar will be this Fed meeting, and after that we will know the far-going perspective for the market. But right now, all that we could do just discuss and be focused on some short-term setups. But still, they also look not bad actually. Rather clear patterns are forming. So for intraday trading, they are looking really good.